Seafoam SF16 fuel and oil additive is a versatile treatment that cleans and lubricates internal engine parts in both gasoline and diesel applications. In regular use, it gradually clears away varnish and deposits in the fuel system, which can lead to smoother idling and more consistent throttle response. Added to motor oil before a change, it helps loosen sludge and buildup, so fresh oil can circulate more freely and protect moving components better. Its fuel-stabilizing properties are especially useful for equipment that sits for long periods, helping stored gasoline or diesel resist degradation over extended storage. The formula is gentle on engine materials and works safely with modern fuel blends as well as older engines, so it fits into a wide range of vehicles and small machines. Because it pours directly into the tank or crankcase with no special tools, it makes preventive maintenance easy for drivers and do-it-yourself owners who want a simple way to keep engines running reliably.